Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of the most charming and thoughtfully designed campers of 2025. And yes, it's as beautiful as it is functional. Right off the bat, just look at this design. It's got that timeless retro vibe, almost like something out of the 60s, but with modern touches everywhere you look. The two-tone beige and brown paint job gives it a warm, vintage feel, and the compact shape makes it perfect for solo travelers or couples who want to hit the road without hauling around a massive RV. Now, one of the standout features is up on the roof, a sleek solar panel setup. That means off-grid adventures are not only possible, but encouraged. You're looking at a camper that can power your essentials without needing to plug in every night. As we step inside, you'll see how cleverly the space has been used. The layout is cozy but not cramped. There's a small dinette area with soft, patterned cushions, perfect for meals, laptop work, or just enjoying a coffee with a view. The wood paneling adds a warm, natural feel that contrasts beautifully with the clean, modern fixtures. Storage is really smart in here. Overhead shelves, under-seat compartments, and compact cabinets make sure everything has a place. The kitchenette includes a minimalist countertop, an induction cooktop, and a mini fridge tucked neatly below. What I love most is the way light floods the space through those large side windows. Add in the soft curtains and subtle lighting, and you've got a vibe that's both nostalgic and relaxing. This isn't just a camper, it's a tiny rolling retreat. Driving-wise, it's compact and super maneuverable, ideal for city streets or narrow country roads. And despite its size, you still feel like you have everything you need for a weekend getaway, or even a longer trip if you pack smart. Overall, the 2025 edition of this retro modern camper delivers in every way. Design, efficiency, comfort, and personality. Whether you're a full-time nomad or a weekend explorer, this little home on wheels is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews and travel inspiration. See you on the next adventure.